Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking In. Today we'll be making Oreo milkshake ice cream. So first we will need our vanilla ice cream, and then we need our Oreos or Neo or something like that. And finally we need our milk, any sort of milk. And we'll need like a big spoon, something like that. Okay, so next we need our milk. And now we need our Oreos, mushed up. Only a tiny bit at a time though. Company will advertise. And then we mash a little bit more pieces. And this is the last bit. Okay, and now you should just mix it just a bit. Need our Buno, this is optional, our Kinder Buno chocolate, just for design. And voila, finished.